Research suggests that the air released by sneezing can reach speeds of up to around 160 kilometers per hour and can travel many meters. A sneeze can spread thousands of small droplets around it, droplets that have a diameter of less than 0.01 millimeters, can remain airborne and spread over large distances. If you are sick, you can infect others when you cough. Infectious droplets can live for many hours after a cough and can contain quantities of infectious microorganisms, depending on how sick you are when you cough. It is therefore important to sneeze into the crook of your arm or into a handkerchief to limit the spread of any infectious agents.